In today's video, I will be making a very special hair mask in form of bars that will be stored in your freezer. This would be enough for several uses. This is a perfect recipe that I have especially created for Valentine's Day as a form of self-love and self-care. This hair mask is very pretty and also so beneficial for your hair. I have chose the amount of each ingredient intuitively, so in the end I had some leftover fenugreek paste that I used to create one bar that is a bit different and can be seen in the end of the video. Now to the fun part. I have chosen to strain my fenugreek paste to get a very smooth consistency. Usually I wouldn't do that, but I decided to be a bit extra for this occasion. I'm using cheesecloth. Warning, this is a very difficult and time-consuming process. It'll probably make you sweat. You will need a lot of patience. It's quite messy as well, but honestly it's so worth it. I have seen some people online using stocking with better success, but I don't have any in the house. Apart from hibiscus, you can use any herbs that you like for your hair. I'm choosing tulsi and horsetail. Hibiscus flowers are essential in this recipe as they will help you to achieve a better pink color. Here, you only need a little amount of this herbal tea to help the strawberries blend better as well as develop better color. Now, you need to mix fenugreek paste with the strawberry mixture. I've tried doing it in a bowl, but that didn't work, as fenugreek paste is like a jelly and it's difficult to mix anything else into it. So I transferred everything back into the blender. This is a beautiful mixture that is so smooth and smells like strawberries. These ingredients definitely help to reduce slightly unpleasant smell of fenugreek. Look at these bars. They are so cute and just perfect for Valentine's Day treat or a self-care day. All you need to do now when you want to apply this hair mask is to melt one of these bars in water bath as seen on this image, but do not boil them. Apply on your hair, leave for about 1 hour and then wash out with shampoo and conditioner. And here are the results. Fenugreek acts as an amazing hair conditioner. It provides slip, gives my hair lots of volume, and used consistently, it really helps combat hair loss. Strawberries have a lot of vitamin C. They're helpful in removing excess oil from your scalp. They make your hair shiny, but also help fenugreek to spread more easily on your hair. They smell amazing too. Let me know if you tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more hair DIYs and natural beauty.